सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Verse number 93. अमानी मानदो मान्यो लोकस्वामी त्रिलोकधृक् सुमेधा मेधजो धन्यः सत्यमेधाधराधरः। The Lord Vishnu is adored by all people because he is the supporter of the whole universe. The reason for the worship of the Lord by the people, the cause is because he is supporter, supports the whole world. Naturally, whatever supports you, you hold on to that. It is the natural instinct. Whatever gives support to you, for the adhara for you, base for you, we hold on to that. Why people all worship the Lord, take his hold, support? Because he supports us. That is the reason. This is called mutual. Bhagavan expresses in the form of Jagat. So the whole Jagat is landing as it is, as though on the Bhagavan. Therefore, if any person say, I am not Bhakta, I don't worship Lord, that means he is negating himself. That means I am not there, I am not accepting myself. I say if I don't accept God, it is like I am not accepting me. Where are you without God actually? You cannot exist without God. The people who talk like that because of ignorance. That means what? Why they say that statement? Because they think they means they are only body, mind, which is jadam. See what a ignorance. Now you can see that person, a gnani, a bhakta, manda bhakta or moda bhakta, etledo bhakta, highest gnani. You take how this approach towards the concept you should behind is that a person who negates the Lord himself, negating himself. A person knows Bhagavan is not supporting. How can you negate God? It shows their ignorance. I cannot accept God means you are not accepting yourself because you are that substratum, God, Swarupam. How can you say? This is Nastikas and all these modern philosophers. Ishvara is not there. Imagine what a level they are. Fully materialistic. Therefore, Ishvara is very, very important. In the Tamil Nadu, mostly Tamil Nadu it is popular. It is Nastikas. No Ishvara, no God at all. If person do not know this basic concept and he lose his whole, it is like shaking the whole building, his whole personality. Therefore, Triloka Dhukku Loka Swami. Therefore, we have to worship the Lord, adored by all. And because he is a Medha, full Medhas, intelligence is there. Because that Lord's Medhas alone, intelligence only, Karana Gunaha Karya Anuvartante. Karana is Bhagavan, full of intelligence. Karya Anuvartante. We are a product, Karyam. So that intelligence comes to us. So Sumedhaha. Therefore we there is a Medha Suktam. Give Medhas. We worship Medha Devi. If Medhas is not there, this Gnana will not come. Because he is Sumedha. So that Medhas I want. Only one prayer you have to do. Bhagavan, I do not know what is the real depth. I am in the process. But help me. Whatever is the highest truth, it must come to me. This only the prayer. Don't ask this much, because you do not know how much he is having treasure. How much Gnanam, Medhas is there. But I want that. You put that, Bhagavan gives. If you put condition, again you will get very less. Therefore, I want to know that truth which is ultimate. There is nothing other than that. Therefore, Satya Medhan, he is the truth, not ordinary truth. Satya Medha means Bhagavan never gets atasmin tadbuddhi kadiyadu. Seeing the things as it is. Seeing the things as it is. This buddhi varana namakku kuda. Adu as it is paakkanum. Body jadavanna jadama paakkanum. Nam paaka mudiliye. Nanu taniya nilindi body ni jadama paakkanum. Try. This is called Drik Drishya Viveka. Shankaracharya writes beautifully. If you start that sadhana, it is easy for you to disown, disidentify. Easy. So, vadambula irukkumbodhu nanu thaniya vadambula paakkanum. Mudiyum. Appada Ramana Maharshi pannadhu. All Mahatmas do. This is sadhana. Body illamale atma tanavu therinjukka mudiyadu. Because it needs instrument. So, instrument la irundhe nanu consciousness ni therinjukradhukku idu instrument. Therinjukittu naan thaniya paakkanum. Adha Sumedha. Bhagavanukku irukkudu. Therefore, we also get that knowledge, that capacity. Identification with my own nature and disidentity with the body mind, which is unreal. Asatyam. This is the Vedantam. This is in the sorting out postman post office. Intelligent letters sort out. We also do sort out, cleaning the rice. We will take the stones and separate. We clean so much. The sorting out all we know how to do. But real sorting out is this. Ultimately, we have to sort out this. That's what Sumedha Dharadharaha. The previous sloka we saw up to here in the last class. Therefore, Dhanyaha, whoever got this knowledge, they are got Dhanyaha. Lord Vishnu is Dhanyaha. His Swarupam is true nature. Ever effulgent knowledge. Swarupam is knowledge. So, Dhanyaha. A Gnani is also a Dhanyaha, whoever gets Gnanam. Gnani is not from the Vyavaharika standpoint. From Paramarthika level, from the Atma standpoint, everybody is Dhanyaha. Next sloka. Tejo vrusho dhrutidharaha Udyutidharaha Sarvashastrabhrutamvaraha Pragraho nigraho vyagro Naika shrinko gadagrajaha. This 1 week back சாப்பிட்ட மாதிரி இருக்க குரல். பகவான் பேர் சொல்லும் போது சித்தமா ஆனந்தமா உன்னிலிருந்து வரணும். தப்பு போன பரவாயில்ல, அதுல என்ன? அது சாண்ட் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு எவ்வளவு பக்தி இருக்கான்னு தெரியணும். The way you chant, the bhava should come from within. It comes by practice. இப்படி பாடின பகவான் வரமாட்டாரு. கூப்பிடணும். We have to, if you call with bhava, with loud voice, Bhagavan in the sense, if you seek ultimately, the truth should come to you. That's all. Therefore, manasa vacha karmana is important. That alertness. Even singing time also, we have to sing loudly. Bhavama pan, anandama. 757 nama. Tejo Vrishaha. Tejo Vrishaha means Lord Vishnu is one who showers the rain. Who showers the rain. கொஞ்சம் கட்டி சொன்னால் நல்ல மழை வரும். சத்தமாக சொல்லுங்க. இதுக்கு என்ன தேஜோ வருஷான்னு சொல்லியிருக்காருங்க. சத்தமாக சொல்லணும், பக்தியாக சொல்லணும், தப்பு இல்லாமலே சொல்லணும். இதெல்லாம் சொன்ன மழை ஏன் வராது? அக்கிரமம் இல்லை, இதை பாபம். இதுதான் சமஷ்டி பாபம், நாட் 1% பாபம். சமஷ்டி பாபம் அதுக்காக கஷ்டப்படுறோம். அதுக்குதான் தேஜோ வருஷான்னு இந்த நாமம் சொல்லிட்டே இருங்கோ. தேஜோ வருஷா, தேஜோ வருஷா சொல்லிட்டு இந்த மழை நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர்க்காவது வரும், இப்போ வராது இனிமேல. ஸோ தேஜோ வருஷா மீன்ஸ் ஹவு ஹி ஷவர்ஸ் ரெயின். தேஜசாம் அம்பசாம் சர்வதா ஆதித்யரூபேண வர்ஷணாத். Tejas means with that races. Tejas, the Surya Rashmi, that races falls on Ambasam, on the ocean. Ambasam, Sarvada Aditya Rupena. In the form of Aditya Rupena, in the form of Aditya, the sun, through his races, he spreads on the ocean, and that races will collect the water. And that water goes to the sky, and it forms the clouds, and the rain comes. Lord Vishnu in the form of sun, through his races, collect the water from the ocean and showers the water. So worship Lord Narayana in the form of sun. Surya Narayana we have to worship. Surya Narayana we have to worship. He has to take water and pour water in Madras, not somewhere else, not in the ocean, in the Madras. And the நம்ம இருக்கிற ஏரியாவில் வரணும் அது கூட. ஸோ தேஜோ, ஸோ தேஜோ விருஷா. லார்ட் விஷ்ணு இஸ் கால்ட் சர்வதா ஆதித்ய ரூபேண வர்ஷணாத். தேஜோ விருஷா. நெக்ஸ்ட் நாம 758 ஜுதிதரஹ. ज्युतिम अंगताम कांतिम धारयन. Jyuti means shining, radiance. Dharaha means the one who bears, bearer of the radiance. Jyuti Dharaha. One who is the bearer of radiance. Radiance, two ways you can see. In that, as the shining principle. You see, in the philosophical sense, Lord Vishnu is called Jyutidharaha because of Shuddha Jnanam. Shuddha Jnanam. The Jnanam, Shuddha Jnanam is the resembles the shining Jnanam. Sarva Bhasakatvat, because he shines everything through this body, through the other beings, through the sun, through the moon. Sarva Bhasakah. Everything shines because of Lord Vishnu. Everything shines. Sarva Bhasakatvat. He shines everything. So therefore he is called Jyutidhara, the one who shines, and one who shines everything also. Because he is shining, that's why he shines everything. If you are also like a bad light, wherever you go, light going. No darkness. That means what? If you are a Gnani, wherever you go, Gnanam takes place. Wherever you are, whenever you open your mouth, Gnana, Pravaha comes. That is real Ardham.
Therefore, Lord Vishnu called Jyotidharaha. This is called real Prakasha. But people think, say Swami, Swamini means some powers, Shakti Randa, that is real Jyotidharaha, they think. But Shastra says the real shining radiance is knowledge. That only removes your ignorance. Janma, Marana, Mrityu, Samsara. Even Siddhi's powers, they are also having radiance. They bring light, they show this, that and all. No? They need not show you. If you sit in meditation, you also see lights. People think seeing lights is the ultimate. But you come as ever Ajnani from the meditation. Even though you see many lights, but here light will not come. You see outside lights. உள்ள இருக்கிற லைட் தெரியாது. என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? You will never come out of your ignorance. Therefore, real knowledge is that knowledge. But without enamored by all these things, you have to withstand until you get Paramartha Jnanam. அதுக்கு நீங்க தனியா புண்ணியம் பண்ணிருக்கணும். அது பண்ணா வரும். அது முயற்சி பண்ணணும். இது எல்லாம் இல்லாமல் இது ஒன்று இருக்குன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். Without getting enamored by all these powers, siddhis, no, many Swamijis, Swaminis, or many people, great avatars are there nowadays. People, so-called avatars, and they will attract you. You means not you, many people, and with their powerful gymnastics, one type of gymnastics, philosophical, no, adhyatmika level gymnastics, adella panna people rush there. The heavy crowd will come, so they carried away by that. adilla carry avahamane irukkarnuvanna romba kashtam. Janmala sukritam sollalam adukku. Very easily carry away by that. Therefore, Lord Vishnu is Shuddha Jnana Sarva Bhasakaha. Why Krishna, even Bhagavad Gita says, Manushyanam Sahasreshu. So many thousands of people are varthanda and purinchukku mudiyadhu. Enna kaaranam enna? It's not the mistake of Bhagavan, it's our ajnana. எத்தனையோ காரணங்கள் இருக்கு அதுக்கு. Lot of obstacles at the mental level, intellectual level, physical level, adhidaivika, adhibhautika, adhyatmika obstacles. If you want to come out, means you should have powerful, tremendous bhakti, faith, strength, courage, dheera, all should have. The weak minded person, weak body person, bhakti illadavanuku jnana varathukku chances kadiyadu. If he is a jnani, means he might have all these things. Sharira gadhadyam, manasika dadhyam, and buddhi dadhyam. Dhairyashaliya irukkanum. Avanukku da jnanam varum. Varevalla. There is no doubt in that. No possibility for other person. So Bhagavan is that radiance. That is the radiance. So don't enamored by any radiance. Even they put photo also. When they put their advertisement and they put aura, all lights coming from that. Misleading the people. Making money. So what we can do? Bhagavan only will protect them. Jyotidharaha Sarva Shastra Bhrutam Varaha. Moving on. Sarva Shastra Bhrutam Varaha means Sarva Shastra Bhrutam Shreshtaha. Varaha means Shreshtaha. Sarva Shastra means all the best. Varaha means best. The yield, the one who yields, W-I-E-L-D, yield of weapons. The best of those that yield the weapons. All weapons. Sarva Shastra Bhrutam Varaha. Only one name fully. सर्वशस्त्रभृतां श्रेष्ठः 559 over 759 over 760 pragraha means receiver, grahana means grahikaradu, pragraha means the one who receives. Here Acharya says bhaktai rupa hritam patra pushpadikam pragrihyati iti. Pragrihnati. The devotees, whatever they give, patram pushpam phalam toyam yome bhaktas swami priya. Whoever gives me a patra or pushpa or phala, water, even jalam also, I am happily receiving it. Therefore, that's why we do tulasi dalam also, tulasi dalam, bilva dalam, all dalam we put. Even gold dalams they put. Real dalam is hridaya dalam. And the hridaya dalam வைக்கிறதுக்கு கஷ்டம். நீங்க ஒன்றும் செலவு பண்ண வேண்டாம் ஹிருதய தளம் வைக்கிறதுக்கு. ஹிருதய புஷ்பம் வைக்கிறதுக்கு you need not work hard, but you have to earn money if you want to put silver dalam or gold dalam. or தேங்காய் வாங்குறது கூட 10 ரூபாய் வேணும் இப்போ. But you need not spend anything. சுத்தமா மனசு வச்சுக்கிட்டு இந்த சுத்தமான ஹிருதய புஷ்பாన్ని சமர்ப்பிச்சுன்னு சொன்னா பண்ண மாட்டோம் நம்ம. And we are doing police so many bhakshams alla panni bhagavanukku alla kodukkanum, avarku ajirname varudhu. He is searching for a hridaya kamalam, engavadhu or nirmalamana hridayam kadikkumanu தேடி paakrar அவர் bhagavan. கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு எங்கேயோ பிரஹ்லாதர், த்ருவர், அந்த மாதிரி மீராபாய், சபரி. Have you seen any person who worshipped Lord with spending lot of money and got Bhagavan's blessing? Have you heard any Bhagavata, any Purana? Nowhere it is said. Whoever have given their whole hearted, fully, hridaya kamal, manasu nirmalama vechiri, prakrannati. Here patram pushpam, whoever gives, Bhagavan takes. Not only that, pragraha, another meaning is, Acharya says, big translation for this, dhavataha vishayaranye durdante indriya vajinaha. I will translate first and tell you later. Horses, our sense organs, which are like horses, horse-like sense organs, the uncontrolled, durdante, uncontrolled horse-like sense organs, roaming over the forest. Samskritam appuram sollu. Forest of sense objects. These sense organs roaming like horses in the Vishayaranyam. This Aranyam, Vishayas, all objects are like Aranyam. In the Vishayaranyamlo, in the sense object, horses are running are bound by his grace, based on his grace. Even though they are running, because of Lord's grace, they are able to, the Lord's rains are there. What type of rains? Blessings of the Lord. So blessings of the Lord work as rains, control pandra. They control and they will bless the person, not falling in the sense objects. இப்படி சம்ஸ்கிருதம்னு சொல்றார் ஆச்சாரிய. எப்படி? தாவதः விஷயாரண்யே துர்தாந்தே இந்திரியவாஜினः. துர்தாந்தேந்திரியவாஜினः. துர்தாந்தः இந்திரியவாஜினः. Vajinam means horses. Durdante means uncontrollable. Tat prasadena, by the blessing of the Lord. Blessing of the Lord. Rashmin eva. Rashmina eva. Rashmina means by the rains. What are the rains? Bhagavan sude anugraham. Bhagavan anugraham illana nama sense organs nam control panna mudiyadu from this sense objects. So therefore you pray to the Lord Bhagavan and Indriya Nigraham kudu first. I have to get my sense control. So Rashmina eva Badhnati. He only ties. Badhnati. Another meaning. Pragrahavat pragraha. As it is controlling our senses from the sense object. Just as the horses running in the forest. So you have to control those horses. Our sense organs like horses. The whole Jagat is like Vishayaranyam, and Bhagavan is the one who controls. And you have to give one hand to the Lord, otherwise you cannot. Therefore bhakti, through the bhakti you tie that one string with the Lord, so that bhakti string you enga pona avada pudichidum. Bhakti is there, it will protect you. That's why chanting, puja, japa, manasa puja, or vachika puja, japa, nitya anushtanam idukda. Otherwise you will lose the hold from the Lord. So be as a devotee all the time. Forget all other roles temporary. Edo namke vasti pandrom. I am all the time a devotee. Nanu or devotee na nenchite irukanu eppume. I am the devotee, I am the devotee, I am the devotee. That means you are connecting the string all the time and not lose it na. Vishayaranyamlo the horse hold, if you miss it, how fast it goes, horse. Can you get it? Can you bring it back? ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அதுக்கு தான் அந்த ஹார்ஸோட ரெயின் எப்போ நம்ம கையில் இருக்கணும். இருக்கும்போதே கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணுறது கஷ்டம். நீங்கள் அது கையில இல்லைன்னா பகவான் Lord Vishnu is called Pragraha. If you surrender to him, he will take care of you. நீங்கள் மட்டும் தனியாக பண்ண முடியாது இந்த கண்ட்ரோல். பகவான் அனுகிரகம் இல்லாமல். Therefore Lord Vishnu called as Pragraha. Next, Nigraha, 761. Nigraha means Shvavashena sarvam nigruhnati iti. Swavashena, by his own Shakti. Shva Vashena, Swabalat, by his own Shakti, Swavashena, Sarvam Nigruhnati. He controls everything. Nigraha. He controls everything. There in Shastra Bhritamvara, I forgot to tell one thing. 750. No. 59 though. Shastra Bhritam Varaha. In Gita, Bhagavan says Rama Shastra Bhritam Maham. Rama Shastra Bhritam Maham. That like Rama is healing that Kodanda Pani. So that what he is healing, that I am. He says Vishnu. That Kodandam I am. That Rama, who is the wielder of the Shastram. I am that. Rama also I am, Shastram also I am, everything I am. Nigraha, he controls everything. Nigraha controls everything, including Maya. I control everything, but except my ignorance. Ignorance caused by Maya. So, Bhagavan is one who controls that Maya also. That is a big control. If you Nigraha kar. What about other things? And we control our people. We master on everyone, but we are slaves to ourselves. Bhagavan in the Nigraha. Next one, Vyagraha. Vyagraha means Vigatam Agram Antaha Vinashaha Asya iti. Vyagraha means the one who is not having any end. Who is not having any end. Vigatam, agram means here end, to the last anamata. Antam, agram means antam. Vinashaha, antam means vinashaha. Agram means antam, antam means vinashaha. Vinashaha, vigatam, gatam means gone. Vigatam, gone, forever. Antam, gone means what? Who is free from end. There is no end for him. Adi antarahitaha. Antarahitaha. Antarahita. There is no end. The body, mind, everything has got its end. Or nadake it will perish. But who will never perish? Lord. So Lord in his own Swarupa never perish. So hold on to that. Why? I don't want to perish. I want to be here permanently. I means here body cannot be permanent, mind cannot be permanent. They are all temporary. I means Atma is ever permanent. So therefore, I want to be Nitya. This is the inner urge of every being. இது அறியாமலே இருக்கிறதுக்காக அங்க சிலாஸ்மாரகம் இந்த சிலாஸ்மாரகம் போட்டு பேர் எழுதிட்டு ஐ வாண்ட் டு லிவ் பை கிராண்ட் சன்ஸ் நேம், கிராண்ட் டாட்டர்ஸ் நேம். தே வாண்ட் டு சர்வைவ். ஹவு லாங்? கிராண்ட் டாட்டர் இருக்கிற ஒர்க். அப்புறம் யூ cannot survive afterwards. Temples, name and fame, whatever you do, even schools and all, they are establishing by their name. They want to live after their death. How long? Tell me. Some more decades, that's all. But they are not permanent. The Lord Vishnu is one. His own nature is a Vyagraha, no end at all. So if you know that real nature of the Lord, you can know your real nature. That real nature are one and the same. There is no end for that. This is really, if you want permanency, this is the only permanency. மற்றது எல்லாமே பர்மனெண்ட் ஜாப் மாதிரி. பர்மனெண்ட் ஜாப் மாதிரி தான். ரிமெம்பர், ஒன் டே யூ ஹாவ் டு ரிட்டையர். ரீடயர்டு. நம்ம டயர்ட் ஆயிடுவோம். அதுதான் நமக்கு ரொம்ப டயர்டு. எப்பவுமே டயர்டு தான். ஒரு ஆத்மா, நான் ஆத்மான்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கினப்பதான் சந்தோஷம், பூரணத்துவம். அதுக்கு தான் பூர்ணம். அந்த பூரி சுத்திட்டே இருக்கும் தனியில் அந்த ஆயில்ல. அது பூர்ணமாகிற வரைக்கும் நம்ம கூட எப்பவும் அசாந்தியோட மனசு ஏதோ ஒரு கவலை, ஏதோ ஒரு எம்டினஸ் இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். அந்த பூரணத்துவம் வர வரைக்கும் அந்த ஞான நிஷ்டை வந்ததுன்னா அப்படியே அலைச்சல் இல்லாமலே ஆனந்தமா இருக்க முடியும். அந்த ஞானம் அடையிறதுக்கு எப்போ ஒரு மாதிரி ஆசையா ஆனந்தமா எதிர்பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கணும். அப்படி யோசிச்சு அது எதிர்பார்க்க வேண்டாம், நான் தான் அதுன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஸோ வியக்ரஹ. Then Naika Shrungaha. Naika Shrungaha. Another meaning also Acharya says, Vyagraha means Bhaktanam Abhishta Pradaneshu Vyagraha. The one who gives whatever the devotees desire. Whatever they desire, he gives. எனக்கு கொடுக்கலையே எனக்கு கேட்கக்கூடாது. உனக்கு பகவானுக்கு நல்லா தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணும். ஈவன் யூ ஆஸ்க் சம்டைம்ஸ் பகவான் கொடுக்கலான்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஓஹோ இதுக்கு எனக்கு நல்லது இல்லையா அதனால பகவான் கொடுக்கலான்னு அவ்வளவு மெச்சூரிட்டி வரணும். நமக்கு எங்கேயோ வரப்போறது. அது வருதா? வியக்ரஹன்னா இங்க என்ன சொல்லிருக்கார்? அனன்யா சிந்தயந்தோமாம் ஏஜனா பரியுபாசதே தேஷாம் நித்யாபியுக்தானாம் யோகக்ஷேமம் வஹாமிஹம்னு சொன்னார் பகவான். பகவான் gives whatever I want. But whatever we ask, Bhagavan is not giving means what? நான் இது கேட்டு அம்மா கொடுப்பானா? My mother gives whatever I ask. அம்மாவுக்கு தெரியும் ஏது நல்லது எனக்கு கொடுக்கறதுக்கு. So sometimes my mother won't give means I have to think, oh it is not good for me, therefore my mother has not given. But நம்ம குழந்தை எப்படி? అది కుడుకులన్నా దే విల్, దట్స్ ఆల్. ఇంకా హౌస్ ఇంకా పాకడం, వాట్ ఎవర్ దే వాంట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్. ఎనీ చైల్డ్ థింకింగ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ గుడ్ ఫర్ మీ ఓన్లీ మై మదర్ గివ్స్, ఐ నో దాట్. అది మాదిరి భగవాన్ కూడా, సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ ఆస్క్, ఏదో அறியாமலே సపోజ్ ఐ ఆస్క్ సంథింగ్ అన్నోయింగ్లీ, கொடுக்கல பகவான் நினைச்சுக்கோங்க, ஓஹோ இது எனக்கு நல்லதில்லை அதனால பகவான் கொடுக்கல. இதுதான் பக்தி. வேற பக்தன்னா வேற கிடையாது, இதுதான் பக்தி. எனக்கு எது நான் நினைச்சது கிடைக்கலையோ, சப்போஸ், ஓஹோ பகவானுக்கு நல்லா தெரியும் அதனால இது கொடுக்கல எனக்கு, எதுக்கு எனக்கு என்னது நல்லதோ எது நல்லதோ பகவானுக்கு தெரியும், அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ யூ ஆஸ்க் ஃபார் மோக்ஷா. பகவான் எப்பவுமே மோட்சம் கொடுக்கறதா ஆனந்தப்படுவார். வேற என்ன கொடுத்துக்க அவருக்கு இஷ்டம் இருக்காது. கொடுத்தா கூட அதனால நீங்க யூ ஹேவ் டு கம் அவுட் ஸோ ஸ்லோலி. தட்ஸ் வை ஹி கிவ்ஸ் அதர் திங்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. That's why a person who wants moksha definitely get, means Bhagavan likes to give moksha. He is very happy to give moksha. Mokshatikkaha ninge edai ketta kuda kutarvar. To get moksha, I want chitta shuddhi, I want money to get moksha, I want money, children, family, or anything to get maturity. If you ask for moksha, keep that moksha in front and ask everything. Bhagavan gives. Nam appadi kekkuradilla. அதுதான் டிசப்பாயின்மெண்ட். மோக்ஷான முன்னாடி வச்சுட்டு மோக்ஷ புருஷார்த்த ஆஸ்க் தர்ம அர்த்த காம, he will fulfill. இல்லைன்னா அடிப்பட வேண்டியதுதான். வியக்ரஹ நைக ஸ்ருங்கஹ ந ஏக ஸ்ருங்கஹ நைக ஸ்ருங்க. நாட் ஒன் horn, he has got many horns, 4 horns. சதுஸ்ருங்கஹ, 4 Vedas. Chatushrungaha 763. 4 Vedas. Chatushrungaha Chatvari Shrunga iti mantra varnam. Rigveda tells Bhagavan has got 4 horns, not literally 4 horns, just as horns always on the top of the head, and they are protective mechanism. Horns edukaha, what is the purpose? They, in the time of any problem, they will protect that animal, and they are always on the top. Have you seen horns are anywhere, somewhere in the body? Always on the head, the top, and they protect. So Vedas are also Chatvara Veda, 4 Vedas. Like horns, they protect. Whom they protect? The creation, what is done by the Lord, the whole creation, they protect. Vedas only protecting the whole Jagat now. It comes from the Lord alone. Therefore, Bhagavan is called Na Eka Shringaha, Chatushrungaha, therefore Naika Shringaha. And 4 Vedas, he says, Acharya says, some other book also says, 3 Kalas, Bhuta, Vartamana, Bhavishyat, 3 Kalas, and 2 heads. He has got 2 heads. What are those 2 heads? Swayam Siddhi and Nityatvam. One head is ever permanent, another head is Karyam, the whole Jagat. Nityam, as Nityaha, he stays every time, and as Jagat product, he remains every time, either in potential form, either in manifest form or unmanifest form. Bhagavan always there. Nityaha, 2 heads. What are the 2 heads? One is Nityatvam, another is Jagat. Karya Rupena, Karana Rupena. And 7 hands also. He has got 7 hands. This is just a exaggeration, atishayam. 7 heads, vibhaktis are there, 7 karakas, karta, karma, kriya, karana, all these, sampradana, apadana, shashti, sambandham, this adhikaranam, all vibhaktis, all these are his hands. Karakam illamanu onu pannungo parungo. All karakas, vibhakti pratyaha, all karakas, accessories. So all these accessories are like his hands. Next one, Gadagrajaha. Gadagrajaha, 764. Gadagrajaha means Nigadena Mantrena Agre Jayate. Nigadena Mantrena Agre Jayate iti Nigadagrajaha. Nishabdam lopaha here. Gadagrajaha is there, but ni is lopaha. Gadagrajaha, actual meaning is Nigadagrajaha nirkano, ni lopam, according to grammar, ni lopatvad. What is that meaning? Here, Rama born because of the Putra Kameshti. Putra Kameshti. So that mantra, whatever mantras comes from that ritual, so through that mantra whoever born, he is called Gadagrajaha. Gada means not here, that Gada. Agrajaha means who comes in the top. After that mantra, when it comes, so from that mantras he born. Rama born like that only, because of that mantra balam. Agre jayate, the born. So Rama is, Vishnu is called Gadagrajaha, whoever born. Avatara Purusha always like that only. Another meaning, Gadagrajaha means the one whose Balarama is called Gada, and he has second brother, younger brother of Lord Krishna, elder brother. That Balarama name is called Gada. So Agrajaha, he is elder, Gadagrajaha. He is wielding bow, also Gada also. He is expert in that, Balarama. In Gada art he is expert, Balarama. That's why he only taught to Bhima and Arjuna. Bhima, not Arjuna. Bhima and Duryodhana. Both of them learned from Balarama. And both students are fighting each other, he is seeing. And he went off afterwards. And they are fighting each other. So Gadagrajaha, the whose brother, who's got eldest brother, elder brother, he is Balarama. Such person is called Gadagrajaha. So who is he? Krishna. Lord Krishna is none other than Vishnu. So Gadagrajaha. Tasmad agre jayata. So Vasudevaha you can say. Gadat agre jayati. Next sloka, 764 over 95. Sloka number. Chaturmurtis chaturbahu Chaturvyuhas chaturgatihi Chaturatma chaturbhavaha Chaturveda videkapat 765 Chaturmurti. Murti means forms. Chatur means four forms. Chaturmurti. Chatasraha Murtayaha. The four formed one. The Lord Vishnu is four formed one. What are the four forms? Acharya says Virat, number 1. Sutratma, number 2. Avyakritaha. Number 3, Turiyatma. Asya iti Chaturmurtihi. Therefore, in the form of Virat, the whole Jagat Vishwam, fully it is called as Virat. Virat Rupam ani solluvom. Virat Rupena Sutratmana. Just like the sutra means like a thread. In the beads, all the mala, just as the thread எப்படி இருக்குமோ அதே மாதிரி இந்த whole Jagat is intertwined in the Sutra Atman, the source. So, who is connection between you and me and other things and other objects? So, whole Jagat and the Sutram is, thread is Bhagavan. Sutra Atmana, he is in the whole Jagat. This is the Vishwarupa Dhyanam. இது நினைச்சிட்டே இருந்தேன்னா கோபம் தாபம் இதெல்லாம் வராது. ராக துவேஷம் எல்லாம் போகிறதுக்கு இது வழிதான். விஸ்வரூப தியானம் ஹெல்ப்ஸ் அஸ் டு கம் அவுட் ஆஃப் ஆல் ராக துவேஷா. நமக்கு யாரும் பிடிக்காத கண்ட கோபம் வரும். ஐ லவ் எவ்ரி ஒன் எக்ஸெப்ட் ஒன் பர்சன். ஏன் எக்ஸெப்ட்னா ஒரே ஒண்ணுதான். ஐ லவ் எவ்ரி ஒன் பட் இந்த பட் பகவான் சேஸ் இன்க்ளூட் தட் ஆல்சோ. ஒன்று அது இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணணும்னா கஷ்டம். எப்படி இன்க்ளூட் பண்ண முடியும்? இந்த மாதிரி படிச்சுன்னா அதை இன்க்ளூட் பண்ண முடியும். ஈவன் though you love all whole Jagat, it doesn't matter. If you hate one person, பகவான் அதுதான் பார்ப்பார். மில்க் ஹோல் லாட் ஆஃப் மில்க் இஸ் தேர். ஒரே ஒரு விஷ போட்டு போட்டா போதும், ஒரு டிராப். அது அந்த கொஞ்சம் அந்த ஹேட்ரட் இருந்தா கூட இந்த பண்ண இந்த ஞானம், லவ்விங் ஆல் பீப்புள், இட் வில் ஸ்பாயில். ஸ்பாயில் இன் த சென்ஸ் யூ ஆர் நாட் ஹாப்பி. ஈவன் though you love whole Jagat, this person hatred இருக்கு இல்லையா அந்த பர்சன் மேல, பர்சனோ ஆப்ஜெக்டோ எனிதிங், எரிச்சல். அது பார்த்த உடனே எரிச்சலா இருக்கும் நமக்கு. அந்த இரிட்டேஷன், அந்த இரிட்டேஷன் நெவர் அலவுஸ் யூ டு பி சாந்தா. மனசாந்தியா அமைதியா இருக்கிறத விடாது. ஸோ என்னுடைய சாந்தி அந்த ஒரு சின்ன விஷயத்துல தான் இருக்கு. பகவான் சொன்னாரு அவ்வளவுதான், நீங்க ஒன்னு ஈவன் அயோட்டா அப்படி டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருந்தா கூட சாந்தி வராதுப்பான்னு சொல்லிருக்காரு. அதனால லேர்ன் டு லவ் ஆல் பீப்புள், லேர்ன் டு லவ் ஆல் பீயிங்ஸ், எவ்ரிதிங். எப்போ லவ் பண்ண முடியும்னா ஒரே ஒரு வழி, பகவான் தான் இது. திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ பகவான். அந்த மனசுக்கு சொல்லிட்டு பல்லு கடிச்சாவது வாய் மூடிட்டாவது ஐ ஹேவ் டு லவ். அப்படி பழகி 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 ஆஃப்டர் சம் டைம் இந்த எரிச்சல் இரிட்டேஷன் எல்லாமே போயிடும். இது எல்லாருக்கும் இருக்கும். பிகினிங்ல சாதனை பண்ணும்போதும் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். சொசைட்டி பார்த்த உடனே சில பேருக்கு எரிச்சலா இருக்கும். ஒரு கவர்மெண்ட் பார்த்தோன்னா இஃப் தே see this government, the ruling, the road பார்த்த உடனே உனக்கு நம்ம we don't like anything in the world. If you see the Bhagavan everywhere, the cosmic order, like BP varadu first. If you want to be healthy, this is the way you have to. Virat Rupena Sutratmana Avyakritam. Avyakta Rupena irukkarar. He is hidden in this. Vyakrita means manifestation. Avyakrita means unmanifest. So Bhagavan is unmanifest form. Turiyatma, that is the ultimate. Vishwa, Tejasa, Prajna. Waking state, dream state and sleep state. Who is Sakshi of this waking state? I, the consciousness. Dream state, I am the Sakshi. Even deep sleep state also, in Tattvavada we are seeing. So, who is the seer, witnesser of all these three is called Turiya. The witnesser. I am the witnesser, Turiyatma. That Turiyatma who? Ultimately Bhagavan. Therefore he is called Chaturmurtihi. Nama enna nenakran body only we take. This is the real sense. That also ఉపాసన దృష్ట్యా ఫర్ ఉపాసన సేక్ చతుర్మూర్తియో పంచమూర్తియో ఎత్తన మూర్తినే వెచ్చుకో. బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద అల్టిమేట్ హిడెన్ మీనింగ్ ఇన్ ఇదిదా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ చతుర్బాహు. And another also Acharya writes, Sita Rakta Pita Krishna cha iti chatasraha murtayaha asya iti. Chaturmurtiki another explanation. Krutayugathilata Bhagavan white irundatta color. Satyam white color. Truth. Kaliyugathila Satyam full ah irukku. அதனால சத்தியயுகத்துல கலர் என்ன, கிருத்தயுகத்துல ஒயிட் கலர். பகவான் is in white color, white மூர்த்தி. then ரக்தான் திரேதா யுகத்துல ரெட் கலர். துவாபர யுகத்துல green color form, green form, color in the sense green form. and கலியுகத்துல black form. one yuga one form, chatur மூர்த்தி. then chaturbahu. Chattvaraha bahavaha asya iti chaturbahu. You understand easily. Vasudevaha. Vasudeva only got 4 hands. Lord Vishnu. Chaturbahu, 4 hands. Then Chaturvyuhaha, 767. Chaturvyuhaha. Chaturvyuhaha means having 4 vyuhas. Vyuham is our strategy. Whatever you arrange on strategic point, that is called Chaturvyuham. இங்க பகவானுடைய சதுர்வியூகம் என்னன்னா, Acharya says, in the 4 he tells, Sharira Purushaha, Chanda Purushaha, Veda Purushaha, Mahapurushaha. Iti Bahvicha Upanishad Uktascha Chatvaraha Purushaha Vyuhaha. Aittaraya Upanishad says this. Sharira Purushaha, the one Purusha who stays in this body, is called Sharira Purusha. Then Chanda Purushaha, Chandasla irupar. Gayatri Chandasamaham annaru kada Bhagavan. And the Chando Rupena, he is the Purushaha in that Chandas. Then Veda Purushaha. Vedas themselves as like a Purusha will take. Not ordinary script writing. Veda itself is a Purushaha, Veda Purushaha. Then Mahapurusha, the great person. In a Vamana Avatara, you can see how he becomes Trivikrama, Mahapurusha. The Avatara takes place. Therefore, Chatur Vyuhaha. All these are Vyuhas for him. Then Chatur Gatihi, 768. Gatihi means goals, destination. What are the 4 goals? Ashramanam, Varnanam, Chaturnam. Ashramas, Chatur ashramas. Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyasa. Chatur ashramas. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaisya, Shudra, 4 Varnas. 4 ashramas, 4 Varnas put together. Chaturnam, Yatha Vukta Karinam, whoever performs Yatha Vukta Karinam, Yatha Shastram Vuktam, they perform Karinam, Yathokta Karinam Gatihi, whoever live according to Shastra. The lifestyle follow the Vidhi Nisheda of Shastra. Shastra is Panna Chonna. Panna. This Panna Kodadhan Cholirka. Panna Kodadhan. Whoever performs. They are all called who follows ashramam, varanam. ನಾನು ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಧರ್ಮ ಫಾಲೋ பண்ணணும், நான் க்ஷத்ரியன் தர்மம் ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும், வைஷ்யன்னா வைஷ்ய தர்மம் ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும், அதே மாதிரி சூத்ர தர்மம் ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும், சாஸ்திரம்னு சொல்லியிருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி நான் பிரம்மச்சரியன் இருக்கும்போது என்ன டியூட்டிஸ் சொல்லியிருக்க சாஸ்திரத்தில், அந்த டியூட்டிஸ் நான் பண்ணணும். As a grihastha householder, what are the duties mentioned in the shastra I have to follow? As a vanaprastha, I have to follow certain duties from shastra, vihita karmas of shastra. As a sannyasi, I have to follow certain karmas. So chatur ashramam, chatur varnana, yatha uktam karmani, whoever follows. So chatur gatihi, whoever follows, they get that moksha gati. So therefore Bhagavan is called chatur gatihi. Then Chaturatma 769. Chaturatma means the one who has got the clear mind. Atma means here clear mind. Chaturatma ஒரு மைண்ட் இல்லை, 4 ஆத்மா இருக்கான்னு, 4 மைண்ட்ஸ் தான். எப்படி அர்த்தம் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும்? ராகத்வேஷாதி ரஹிதத்வாத் சதுரஹா. சதுரஹா மீன்ஸ் ஹியர் ஸ்கில்னஸ். ரொம்ப சதுரன் அவர்னு சொல்லுவோம், கிளவர். சதுரஹா ஸ்கில் ஆர் கிளவர்ட் பர்சன். வை இஸ் கிளவர்னா ராகத்வேஷாதி ரஹிதத்வாத், ராகத்வேஷம் கிடையாது அவருக்கு, எக்ஸெட்ரா ஆதி காம குரோதா கூட கிடையாது. ஸோ if you have raga attachment, desha, aversion or desire and anger, you are not chaturaha, you are a weak person. Understand? Whoever has got raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, they are all unskilled persons. Now come on, show me any skilled person. Only gnani. Except gnani, all ajnanis are unskilled, not chaturaha, achaturaha. Atma manaha asya iti. Atma means here manaha, whose mind is free from raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, rahitam. Free from raga, dvesha, kama, krodha. Okay, that's called rahitam. Rahitam means free from. So therefore Bhagavan is called Chaturatma. Another meaning, mano buddhi ahankara chittakhya. What are the 4? Antakarana. Who is Chaturatma? Who has got the Antakarana with 4? Manas, buddhi, chitta, ahankara. Antakarana chatushtayatmakatvad. Chatushtayatmakam. All 4 are there in his Antakarana. So there Bhagavan has given us all these 4. Chatushtaya atmakatvat, endowed with mana, buddhi, chitta, ahankaram. Therefore Lord is Vishnu is called Chaturatma. So when he is in this form, in this body, so really speaking, that consciousness Parabrahman endowed with mano, buddhi, chitta, ahankara, but he is free from that. நம்ம என்ன நினைக்கிறோம், என்னோட கர்மா நினைச்சிட்டு புத்தி சித்தா அகங்கார we are blaming our own, தலை அடிச்சுட்டு கஷ்டப்படுறோம். சதுர் பாவஹா. We'll see this in the next class. Okay, chatur bhava. We'll finish up to 770. Okay, dharmartha kama mokshakhya purushartha chatushtayam. Dharmartha kama mokshakhya, akhya means இப்படி சொல்லப்பட்டிருக்கு, the named as purushartha chatushtayam bhavati utpadyate asmaditi. Bhavati means utpadyate, born. By whom these dharma, artha, kama, moksha, purusharthas are born, came out. So therefore he is called Chatur Bhavaha. next week, in the next class. Hari. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.